Hello, today I'm going to talk about the Kirkland Signature Ladies Merino Wool Extra Fine Socks. So, this comes with 4 pairs of socks. They are awesome. Let me show you. I really like the designs on them. And this was gifted to me as a early Thanksgiving gift, so not too long ago. And they are so warm and they are so nice, and as you can see, they all have different patterns on them. So these are US size 4 to 10 and a half, and it's mostly black with blue and then gray, so it has different designs, but they use the same colors, which is cool. Each pair has these different patterns, and the socks keep my feet warm in the winter. I really needed a new set of socks. I just use them all the time. I walk all the time, and I really needed something that didn't have holes in them and that wasn't worn out and that was really warm and just good quality, and these are great. They also protect my feet, and they work well for sneakers or hiking boots or closed-out shoes that you wear that require socks. So they work well with a variety of different shoes and footwear. There is a lot of cushioning, especially on the heel here. Let's push these aside. The heel here is thicker, and so is the toe, so there's a lot more cushioning and support on those areas, and then it does have this bunchy part so that it stays on your leg for longer. And they're definitely thicker and they're reinforced. The fabric isn't itchy. It's very soft and cozy, and I often wear socks to bed. I'm one of those people. I just find that I sleep better with really warm feet. It's made of very fine wool, and I got these as a present, and I think it's just a great gift, a great stocking stuffer. So if it's around the holiday season, great idea. Make sure you wash them with cold water inside out. Don't iron them. These are not meant to be ironed. Don't dry clean them. Don't bleach them. Drying them, I would tumble dry them on low. There's no elastic. They make different types of socks. This one I like a lot just because of the design. So I'm not sure in which order they came in, but I'm just going to tell you what they say is the ingredients and what they're made of. So the first pair is 81% extra fine merino wool, 15% polyester, 3% nylon, and 1% spandex. The second and third pairs are 78% extra fine merino wool, 19% polyester, 3% spandex. And then the fourth pair is 84% extra fine merino wool, 15% polyester, and 1% spandex. So in case you're wondering or you have any allergies to fabric, they're great to travel with, very cozy and comfortable. And on airplanes, airplanes can be very, very chilly, and I like to always have socks with me, especially if they don't have those blankets on hand that they sometimes have. They're great gift ideas, so definitely check out the Kirkland socks, and these ones especially, if they fit you and if you are a lady. Thanks so much for watching this video.